and they were surviving on the streets. And for us, this is modern slavery. It is exploitation of the highest nature. And we took them to Maswita for rehabilitation. But of course, we didn't work alone as cases A. We worked with the different partners, both state and non-state actors.
Looking at the state in which they were brought in at Masolita Children's Village, which is owned by USO, several were sick, several were malnourished, others had impairments that were got as a result of being in the street. And you know that for them to attract money or resources in the street, they should be in a state that drives sympathy. And that is the state in which the parents and the people responsible for them in the street have always maintained them. But as we brought them through Masolita Children's Village, they have been rehabilitated. And as you look at them, you rarely see any malnourished one among them. You rarely see anyone who is physically handicapped, because others even had to go through operations in Kosovo to bring them through the situation that they are in now.
Today we have brought 308 children. We are going to put them into two schools, that is Rotome and Lokolokodioi Primary School. We are going to put 200 girls in Rotome Primary School and 108 in Lokolokodioi. Mixed boys, 76 and 32 girls.
We come up with a resolution. How can we have the last statement to government? And we come up with a resolution that when we bring these children, we should not integrate them with their families. Also, I've seen that integration has been recycling. They integrate, the same people again go back. They again integrated. If you follow the records, they probably have integrated. They have integrated one person like Agelo more than 3 times to the same family.
We are aware that these children are not only in Kampala, they are also in the other urban towns. They are in Ganga, in Jinja, in Busia, they are in Mbale, and most of our children are in Nairobi. So let us be thinking a lot on how we can sustain them at home. Because as we support those ones who are coming home at school, in the community, at least they can be champions or role models to support the rest to stay at home.
To the team who has brought these children, I want you to not to say that now we have handed them the children. For purpose of your records also, you should be having some follow-ups. How was the district handle the children we give them, that children we give them?
And we're going to support them because the government is giving free education, but we'll make sure that they get everything a child needs at school. That is uniform, personal effects, and scholastic materials. And we are not going to do it today only, but it's something that we're going to do for a year. Then after a year, we see, again we sit and we plan for them, because our intention is that at least if they can finish primary 6, primary 7, then it will be good for them, maybe some to join the skill so that they can be useful people.
Call for food through World Food Program has yielded results. World Food Program in supporting government is going to, normally has been given breakfast and lunch, a hot meal, but due to this current unique situation we are in, the regional management accepted to add supper and then weekend feeding for the children.